And this is our famous car that we rented from our handling. Very nice and useful. Muscle car, go ahead. Sounds like a Ferrari, actually. Pretty nice sound.
No, it's not.
A lot of dust. And that's the car. It's good for a few days. At least it has air conditioning. It's the most important thing. So we woke up at 6 and we came to... Igor, what's the name of this place? Camino del Rey, near El Chorro.
Camino del Rey or El Chorro.
Yeah, Camino del Rey near El Chorro. And why so early? Because all the tickets online...
Tickets.
Yeah, all the tickets online, they're sold out for a few months in advance.
3 months ago.
And they have some tickets usually left here. And if you like, you can buy them if you're early enough. So we don't know if we're gonna buy them because there are already a lot of tourists going there. I hope we get there. And also, I forgot my sunglasses. that sucks.
Me too. Me too.
Hi. It's a boy.
Oh yeah, might be sick or something.
Well, I'm not going to kiss it, but hey.
Okay.
So we got the tickets.
Uh-huh.
And nothing in English except safety briefing, and that's it. So this is the old bridge, right?
Yeah.
But there should be a new one, yeah, because we have to.
Will be.
Okay.
Will be. You'll see.
I can imagine that people who like to sleep, when they come later, it must be very hot over here.
Well, yeah, we have a lot of luck to do it on the...
Even right now it's like
time,
plus
you know.
25, but later on it's gonna be more than 30.
Well, it is 25, but still though the air is quite fresh after the night.
Exactly, but when you come here a few hours later,
It will be a nightmare.
and this is the old path. Looks bad and it's pretty narrow. There's the old one and the new one. Nice. So that's it, right?
Yep.
Now we have to go to the bus?
Yes, sir.
I think the bridge was the main attraction, actually.
It was.
Yeah, go.